Well,
Yeah.
who did you see? We can see on IS again?
We've got Allegrande on AIS. They're pretty far ahead though, so I think we're running out of miles to have any chance to catch up. But nice to have a bit of separation and see if the med throws us a lucky card. But I think they've been cooking up their Italian pasta and throwing us in their dish.
Yeah.
Ambrosio and his Italian cooking.
Used as a
piece
of garlic. The easy one to peel.
Have we got an Italian cook on board as well?
Look, I mean, I'm not sure I have.
Yeah,
I'm not sure I have the high standard that Ambrosio has, but I mean, yeah. Maybe this time we might be the garlic, but next time
we'll be the pasta.
We try to put entire garlic
next
in
time we're the tomato sauce.
Yeah.
Next time we're the tuna.
Yeah. To punish them when most hurt. A good arrival in Genova or something.
Catchy. Yeah. Everybody needs to have the reference to the video they posted now.
Yeah.
Because otherwise this makes no sense.
This makes no sense.
You will be the tuna.
You're the garlic.
What's with you and socks first, Frankie?
I love socks. I'm obsessed with socks. I have a lot of them. So for this race I thought I should have a pair of socks for each stopover. And this is to celebrate our Spanish stopover. I think I have a bull over here. That's
Like a corrida.
a corrida bull.
Sorry.
And then my little airplane is probably us coming with Malizia, flying there. Our luggages
Waiting for us?
waiting for us.
Maybe.
But I think there are more stuff. The shoes are not really helping here. Yeah.
There's a lady with a red dress.
I'm a Menko dancer, right?
Yeah.
I guess. Yeah. These are
Very cool.
these are the style.
Non mais bien parce que en fait ce que j'ai compris faire ce qu'elle veut.
Is this your last meal?
Yeah, it's just cooking at the moment. A lot of work. Spent hours preparing it.
What are you having?
But we should be at the finish soon. And yeah, get some real food on land soon. I have a rougail saucisse. It's too hot to show you right now, but it's like a wet meal. Quite small, but it's nice in these Mediterranean conditions, so don't mind it too much.
Very nice. And a bit of saucisse on sec?
There's sauce on to start, yeah.
Very good.
Little aperitif.
Apéro?
Last apero on board.
Nice.
And then we have Spanish apero. It's very nice.
Bon appétit.
Aperitif.
Wow. Ça, c'est